Alright, it's just before 6. I'm heading LS Fest West. Heading actually to Holley first to meet up with Keith so we can carpool down to Nashville. I'm gonna go to LS Fest West.
We've been in the airport waiting for 6 hours.
Cool. Alright. Because we've been setting up the final day. This morning, this place looked like there could be an event, but now there is an event here, and it's going to happen. There's a bunch of cars here already, and the event hasn't even started. So
yep, lots of vendors, lots of cars. I got 5 sunburns in one day.
Yeah, yep. This hat's kind of doing its job, but it's another day. So
yep, bring some sunscreen. Come to Las Vegas Motor Speedway. We're going to have an LS Fest West.
Yep. And if you can't make it, be sure to subscribe on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, or like us on Facebook. The jet's going over us right now, so we're going to get going before we can't hear ourselves talk, so catch you later.